So you want to learn how to apply Odie's wax. Really simple. Grab yourself a white non-woven pad, and I chose the white Norton brand because it is a 0 grit, meaning it has a 0 grit rating. It's not going to put scratches in your surface. Or you can grab a nice microfiber applicator, one like you use on automotive finish for applying automotive waxes. Lightly moisten your applicator with the Odie's wax, and I mean lightly, very little. This jar of wax is going to cover, about 2,000 square feet of previously finished surface. So you're going to have this jar of wax for a very long time. And I'll tell you at the end of the video how to preserve it. Work the wax into the surface in circular motions. Don't use a machine if you're new to the product. Matter of fact, I really don't see the reason to use the machine. This table, pretty large table, easy to do, just with this applicator and by hand. Massage it into the surface. You should barely see the wax that you're applying. Do not put it on in gobs. The wax is very dense, and it is a true paste wax. It's not a liquid sludge like most waxes out there that really aren't waxes. Work it into the surface. Do the whole piece. Let it set up for about, the longer you let it set up, the better. I like to let my wax set up for about 90 minutes, believe it or not, if you got the time. If you don't have the time, 30 minutes is fine. You can get away with that. But the longer you let it set up, the nicer it comes off when you go to take it and buff it off. And then after you get done applying the whole thing, wipe the piece down with a cotton terry cloth, and then wipe it down one more time with a microfiber cloth, and make sure you get all the wax off the surface till you get a beautiful shine. And I'll do that in the next video. Now, using these waxes religiously, and you'll love this wax, but you'll find that this little jar is going to last you 2,000 square feet, and some of you, that might mean 1,000 projects. You're a bowl turner, it might be 1,000 bowls. Well, you want to keep this, you're going to have it for years. Get yourself some Bloxygen. We sell Bloxygen on our website. You spray a little in the jar, put the lid on. It's an inert gas. It's argon gas. It'll keep your finish fresh and keep your wax lasting many, many years. Join us for the next video.